What is going on? So today, first of all, check out this new mic. It's not mine. I'm actually borrowing it from a friend, but thank you, Ethan, for letting me borrow your mic, because my mic right here, first of all, look at the size difference. And yeah, it's pretty much broken. It doesn't really work too much anymore. So yeah, I'm going to try this mic, and if I like it enough, I'm actually going to buy it. This is a video that I just thought about randomly just now, because I'm like, yo, I haven't uploaded in like a week or 2 weeks or something like that. I haven't uploaded in a long freaking time. Anyways, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys why I buy so many iPhones, and pretty much the reason, like how I got all these and the stories behind them, and everything that the story about the each iPhone that I have right now. First of all, I'm just going to explain why I do this, why I buy so many iPhones. First of all, this is my stack of them right now. They change pretty frequently. Obviously, this one is not real. This iPhone 10 clone one is not real, but they do change. Like a month ago, I had a totally different stack of iPhones. But anyways, guys, the first reason why I buy iPhones is because, if you guys did not know, I fix and repair iPhones. So I like to buy iPhones so I can fix them, repair them up, and pretty much just sell them. And like if I'm missing a part for some kind of repair or something like that, I'll look through all my iPhones and see, hey, this phone has a good part, I'll use it for this repair. So yeah, pretty much just piece them out. I will take like if I need a part out of like this iPhone old 6 Plus, I could just take it apart, take the part out that I need for a different phone that I'm repairing, and that way I don't have to spend money on a specific part, and I don't have to order or anything like that. So if you're familiar with iPhone repairs, you know exactly what I'm talking about. But yeah, that's the first reason why I buy all these iPhones. The second reason is that I actually buy and sell iPhones, the ones that I actually can buy and sell. So iPhones do have a security kind of feature called iCloud. iCloud, obviously you guys know what iCloud is. Pretty much it's just like an account that goes on your phone that pretty much just tracks everything. All your data is on the cloud. Maybe some of you guys didn't know this, is that if you say you like restore your phone and you don't take off your iCloud, like you don't take off the username and password, you're still signed in. And if you restore the phone, the phone remembers the iCloud username and password, and it won't let you set up the phone on a different account or anything like that unless you sign off of the old iCloud that was previously on the device. This is actually a pretty good security thing, so people don't try to steal phones and they can't sell them for a high price, because a lot of these phones right here that I have are iCloud locked. Apparently there are some ways that you can unlock iCloud locked phones, but it's not like a secure way of doing it. It's not the best way of doing it, and it's just like sometimes it's not even really worth doing it. And I'm actually working on a website right now. I'm pretty much done. It's in a kind of beta state right now, so if you guys want to check that out, it's called Dashy Shop. Pretty much like Goat. So like pretty much you post your phone on, if you guys know what Goat or StockX is, it's pretty much a website or an app that you pretty much post your shoes on it, your like Yeezys or something like that, and then you post them on the Goat or StockX or whatever website, and then someone else can buy them, and then you ship them to the authenticator, which is like StockX or Goat, the company, and then they ship them out, make sure they're all good, make sure it's all good, make sure everything's legit, and then they send it to the person that actually made the purchase and bought them. What this website is going to do is pretty much be this, like pretty much the exact same thing like that, but it's going to be for iPhones, so people don't have to get scammed anymore. People don't have to go through meeting people in public to buy phones. Like I told the story a couple months ago where I tried to sell an iPhone and this guy tried to steal it from me, and it was just not fun. And it turns out they caught him, and this is a little update, by the way. They caught him, and he had a court date. He had multiple court dates, and they're just trying to figure out the sentencing and everything like that. But I don't know if I should be saying this, but he's going to jail. I don't know if I'm supposed to say that or not, but I'm gonna say it. So yeah, so this website pretty much helps people not get, their phones stolen or their money stolen from them, and make sure that their phones aren't iCloud locked or anything like that. It's just a way safer and just way easier place to sell and buy your phones. So if you guys want to check that out, or you're interested in that at all, and it is in a beta stage, so if there's any problems with the website or anything like that, please let me know. There'll be a comment section or something like that at the very bottom of the website, so you can let me know if there's something buggy or something about the website. It's not completely done yet. The third reason why I buy all these freaking phones is I actually tried to make a video of returning Let me try to find it, which one it was. This iPhone 6. So it is unlocked. Well, I just turned it off, but it is unlocked and it does have an iCloud on it. So for me, it's totally useless. I can't use it because it has an iCloud on it. Like I said, you need to know the iCloud password and username to sign out so it can actually be sold. So I was like, okay, well, I'm just gonna give this to the person that actually lost the device, because obviously they lost it, someone stole it from them. Something in that form happened to this person. So then I looked through the contacts. I know this is a kind of personal thing. Contacted the owner of the phone. They didn't answer, and then I looked up like a mom on the contacts and found their mom of the device. So I was texting her. These are the text messages right here, but pretty much they don't live in the area that I live in. I bought it. I bought this phone. I bought this phone and a couple other ones in like a little, this guy was selling them for like three for like $40-$50, something like that. So I was like, I found this phone, and she said, where are you? And I said, I'm located downtown Phoenix. That's where I'm at right now. And then I said, I can give you my address if you want to meet up and bring take the phone, because I was just trying to do something nice. Maybe they had some personal pictures on there or something like that, and they didn't want to lose their phone. They didn't want to lose those pictures or something like that. Obviously, I can't drive there or anything like that, so I was unable to give it to them. But that is another reason, because if I find a phone that's unlocked, like the passcode that's unlocked like this, and the iCloud's not unlocked, I'll try to find the user of the phone that was stolen from or lost or whatever and give it to them. That obviously, I can't believe it was that far away, to be honest. Like Atlanta, that's a far distance from where I live. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much why I buy all my phones, all these iPhones right here. This first one right here, I'm just gonna list them off now. This one right here is an iPhone 8. It's obviously broken. This is not the original screen. It actually was not functional, but now it is. So I'm not sure if this is iCloud locked. I haven't had the time to test it yet, but it's an iPhone 8. I got this one and then this one right here, and then I also got this one. These were the three that I got, like a bundle. This guy was like, hey, I have 3 iPhones if you want to buy them. And I was like, sure. And I bought them for like around $40-$50, something like that. So this is the one that I was going to return to that person, but they ended up, they don't live in this area, so obviously I can't give it to them. And then this one right here is an iPhone 6s. I haven't really looked at any of this at all, so I'm not sure if it's iCloud locked or anything like that. All I do know is that it's busted and very broken, so I'm not sure. This is probably iCloud locked. Most of these are. So it's an iPhone 6 Plus. It is iCloud locked, and it is also cracked. So I'm unable to give it to the original person that lost it or got stolen from. But yeah, iPhone 6 Plus. I'll probably just use this for parts or a different kind of video or something like that. This one was a good find. It's an iPhone 11. Very rare kind of find right here. This is unable to get activated for some reason. I don't know why. It just says we are unable to activate your phone. Turn it off, and then it does the same thing over and over again. So, and it's in literally perfect condition. This one right here is an iPhone 6, I think. Yeah, iPhone 6s. This is actually my girlfriend's. She obviously upgraded to the iPhone 11, and so yeah, this is her old iPhone 6s that she gave to me. The home button doesn't work, so it's pretty much useless. And it's also cracked. And I don't think this has a battery in it because I used it for a different repair. This next one right here is an iPhone 7, pink. The battery is obviously it's like bulged up, so the screen's like sticking out of it, as you guys can see that. And yeah, this thing's pretty much, it won't activate either for some reason. I think it's something internally, and obviously it is dead right now, so I'm not able to do anything about it. So I'll probably use this for a separate video as well, and a different channel that I'm creating. This is an iPhone 6 that has no battery in it, and the screen doesn't work at all. So I think this phone is water damaged. You can tell, but it has that red dot right there, so it's water damage. I think it does work, but it's also iCloud locked, so I'm going to use this for a separate video as well. And a dummy iPhone 10 model. When I first got my iPhone 10, this is what they thought the iPhone 10 was going to look like. I actually unboxed this in a separate video, and I actually cracked it like the same day I unboxed it. Yeah, this is just a dummy iPhone 10. The buttons work, and this doesn't turn on or anything like that, obviously. And then my last one is an iPhone 4S, a legend. Okay, this is actually, I don't think I've had this. I've never had this iPhone. I've only had the iPhone 4, and then I went directly to the iPhone 5. So, but this brings back a lot of memories, because obviously the iPhone 4S and the iPhone 4 are very, very similar in design. They're pretty much exactly the same. And yeah, so iPhone 4S, I'm probably just gonna keep this one because it brings back good memories, and it's just a iconic design. And I hope I hope the next iPhone is going to be kind of like this, like a kind of a square design, because I'm kind of done with this round design. I don't know about you guys. It's comfortable in the hand. I just am tired of it, and I really want to go something like this where it's all squared off design like that. And I'm sure a lot of you guys want that as well. But anyways, guys, that was a very rambling kind of video, but I just thought I'll give you guys an update video on what I'm doing right now, and just to show you guys the iPhones that I got, and also to show you guys about my new website. So make sure to check that out, dashyshop.com, and post your iPhone on my website. I would really appreciate it. Let's make this grow. I think it's the best way to buy and sell iPhones. So please check the website out. And also, guys, I'm making a brand new channel. I don't really have anything about it yet, but I'm going to be uploading videos and stuff like that to it pretty soon in the description below if you guys want to check that out. I don't have any videos uploaded on it right now, but have a new video kind of thing that I want to start. So hopefully you guys support me on following my new YouTube channel and also checking out dashyshop.com. I'd really appreciate it. And that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for sticking along. I know haven't been consistent this year with uploading. I just have so much stuff going on. I hate saying excuses, but it's just there's so much stuff to do. YouTube is one of my priorities, obviously, and I just want to stick to this and make sure that I'm still upload videos for you guys. And yeah, so that is the update video, guys. Check me out. Okay, but if you guys like this video, please drop a like and subscribe, guys. Always help with the channel. I'll see you guys in the next freaking video. And Ethan, thank you for letting me borrow your mic. I really do appreciate it. Peace.